Everybody, this is Z here. And today I want to share something that I built that is a text-to-speech add-in for coding agents. So Anthropic released a feature recently called Claude Code Voice Mode, which is pretty nifty. So if you use Claude Code a lot, sometimes maybe you're lazy to type. What you can now do is you can just hit spacebar and hold it down after you use the voice command and do something like this, where you can talk naturally and the words will just appear. So the problem is this feature is great because you now have speech to text, but there's no native text to speech from Anthropic yet. So what I did is I built something that kind of filled that void. I'm sure Anthropic will come up with something soon. But since I'm on a Windows machine, I was looking for a way to do it on the cheap. So I discovered that in Windows, you actually already have natural bunch of voices that you actually use for narration and a whole bunch of other things. And there's a way that you can actually tap into this. So I built on a library called TTS and a few other things, and took advantage of Claude's ability to use hooks, where at the end of every response, you can insert something that it does. So I have a really minimalistic single Python file approach where once you set it up, you can hear your machine speak back to you. So here's how it works. Hi, I'm doing a test of the speech to text and want to hear you say something using the text to speech from Talkback-Win.
Testing. TalkbackWin is alive and well. Speech in, speech out, all in one loop. How does it sound?
And if you are a OpenAI Codex user, I have something similar. So Codex doesn't exactly have the same kind of hooks that Claude Code has. So I built something that kind of works the same way. It's not exactly a TUI, but it behaves similarly. So you run it and
Hey, what do you want to do?
so it kind of works the same, but it's not exactly a two-way. So I tried to kind of make it similar where it behaves in the same way. But yeah, I think this one is something that might need a bit more work. So I also have a Medium article that I wrote that kind of explains the process of how I built this, plus a little bit more beyond just the GitHub repo. Let me know what you think and hope this is useful to somebody out there. Bye.